Rapper Nicki Minaj says she is pushing back her new album as she desperately seeks to reach folk singer Tracy Chapman to clear a sample. Chapman is the intensely private singer-songwriter behind socially conscious songs such as the 1988 classic Fast Car and Talking About a Revolution. Chapman has said that she has no desire to spend time on social media. Minaj pleads her case using her Instagram and Twitter accounts, both of which have 20 million followers. In a tweet this week that she later deleted, Minaj wrote that a song on her upcoming album Queen features one of the greatest rappers of all time, but that she had no clue it sampled the legend, Tracy Chapman. Minaj also posted a text conversation conducted through a fan in which Chapman is offered $2 million to grant permission in time for an August 10 release. A number of fans were offended by Minaj's full-court push. "I can't believe that this is the kind of disrespect that Tracy Chapman is getting for merely not replying," tweeted one user.